my channel. Wow, Tamanna. I'm Tamanna and today we will learn how to make slime. So let's get started. For making the slime, we need a bowl, glue, activator, spoon or spatula, color and glitter. So let's get started. So into a bowl, I'm adding glue. So after we add glue, I'm adding green color. You can use any of your favorite color. So now we should mix it properly. Very pretty color, no? Which is your favorite color? Please comment down. So now I'm adding glitter. So after adding the glitter, again you need to mix it properly. So now I'm adding activator. You should mix it very nicely after adding the activator. See, it started becoming slime. You should add little bit activator to your hands because the slime will not stick or else it will start sticking. So now I'm taking the slime onto my hands. Oh my gosh. See this? See how stretchy. See this? When will it break? See, I have made pink, golden and green as I showed you and yellow. You can make many things from this like vegetables, fruits and many more. So now I'll teach you how to make a big bubble out of this slime. So first you need to make a ball out of it. Press it like this and stretch it. And now you should keep it on the floor and do like this. And now take a straw and take little up, put it inside and blow. So even you can make bubbles and have fun. So now let's make some colorful capsicums. So see, my capsicum is ready. Looks good, no? And even see my yellow capsicum. It looks real, no? And even I made many more. If you liked my video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Bye bye.